Hey whales, good morning. Happy Sunday. It's June 15th. Let's recap the markets and go over Nvidia. Okay, so with that said, let's jump into Nvidia. So coming into this week, guys, there are a few things that, are flashing some warning signs, across the markets. We did get a potential, break of this trend line support. So that could be pretty bearish, in the smaller and medium term cycles. So what I do expect is that if it does turn bearish, we're going to go down for a red 4. Now, I do believe these red days are going to be bought up pretty quickly, and we're still in a series of a larger degree 3, 4, and 5. So, in my opinion, what am I going to do from a mindset of a full-time trader? I'm going to keep buying the dips on those red days at very strong levels. Okay, so what do I mean by strong levels? I mean, the fib ratios of the 618s. So for instance, if we take some pivots here, right? Maybe I'm looking at possible, 132, 135 levels. That could be something of interest. So these are some of the things that I'm looking at. Now, if we do break below some of these lows, guys, this is obviously a wave 3. And, we're going deeper for a blue 4. Okay. So if we're going deeper for a blue 4, now I'm going to be taking some other pivots and building some confluence. So Nvidia could come down to 126, right? And if it's super bearish, 114, but let's not worry about that yet. We're not calling that as of now. But all I'm looking at potentially for potential trades is longing the red 4 or longing the blue 4. We'll know more this week. I do believe there's going to be red days coming up, but at the same time, those dips will be bought up quickly. Okay, so we just got to be mindful of where we are in this count. We are getting bearish divergence forming on a daily time frame like this, right? Prices going higher highs, but indicators are making lower highs. So getting some bearish divergence starting to form. We got the break of this trend line as well, right? But the thing is, I've seen this a lot where everyone is bearish because of these breaks. Typically, they get bought up pretty quickly, and we actually make new highs, stopping everybody out that try to short. We're still in a bullish uptrend. We're still, across the weekly, daily timeframes, everything is still bullish. So what we're looking at potentially is this being a left shoulder, a head, and then a right shoulder, or commonly known as a cup and handle, or an inverse head and shoulders pattern, right? So we're looking for something like this before higher. So we're getting there. It's going to take some time. But overall, again, I'm only looking for long positions because the higher time frames are still bullish to me. And I'm going to keep going with the trend. So that's basically my play. You can take a look at the S&P 500 as well, right? Sort of the same idea. We don't know whether or not this blue 3 is already in, and we're going deeper for a blue 4, or we just have a series of, 4s and 5s on the smaller time cycle. So everything is sort of lining up together. But overall, right, on those red days, draw up your high probability levels to buy in and look for opportunities, right? This is a day trading mentality, day trading levels. If we do get a blue 4, this is where you would swing a pretty larger positions. But until then, take it easy, take it slow. And I do think, again, the dips are going to be bought up quickly. So don't be too bearish. These are buying opportunities across the board. So keep going with the trend. And I'll see you guys for tomorrow.